I got some good news. Check it out. It is all back together. Found a place a couple hours away. Got a cam. It's pretty awesome. Thank you, Dave. New Life Cycles in Williams Lake. Awesome. Guy's got stock like you wouldn't believe. He's got stock on eBay. He'll answer your questions on Facebook. But yeah, freaking awesome. And I can't remember if I've ever had this thing running on a video before. But check this out. Check how easy this thing starts. Turn the key on. We got oil light on the top and neutral light on the bottom. Start button down here. Check this baby out. Watch this. Look at that. Nice idle. This cam is a little bit heavier than the other one that I had in it. So, choke a little bit. Fire it up here again. There we go. Listen to that baby purr. Ain't that nice? Listen to that baby. Oh yeah. So I gotta put everything back together, put the chain on, put the seat back in. But yeah. This is a fucking win. Win and a half. Yeah, baby. Woo! Oh yeah. So we're out for a ride. And we find some water. And we find some mud. And oh yeah, look at my face. This is like the new style facial, right? Just gonna spritz a little bit of mud on there and rub it in. Look at Cadence. you're even worse. Look at her white shirt. Oh god. Ooh. I think mommy's gonna kill me over that one. Ooh. Okay, time to get the bleach out and soak the shirt.
And this is Brett fixing my fucking GMC.
Hey, buddy. Is that working? Is it working? Can I see?
Yeah, the time's going.
Like recording?
Yeah.
All right. So you're not retarded then. Okay, right
No.
Okay, so
I got a little
people
bit
that don't know,
not a whole lot, but I got a little.
This is an LS. What is this? An LS3, and we are doing a oil pressure sensor switch. Matt, where's your other one?
I don't know.
Did you fucking huck it in the bushes?
No, you.
Because I wanted to fucking huck it in the bushes. No, well, I put the screen right here. So there's the screen that goes in the back. But anyway, I don't know if you can see it right back in there. Let's turn the light now. You can't really see that. So then, see my socket on there? Yeah, it's right back there. It's
You know that this whole time I'm sitting here thinking I'm recording, it's not.
It's
you
not.
Hit the stop button.
Oh,
you did it. I did.
You asshole! I hit the stop button. Okay, well, let's
You're
go
the
back.
last one using it.
Hey, there's the cameraman.
Oh,
There's Matt the cameraman. Yeah, buddy. Okay, so anyway,
for an Oscar nominee.
Anyway.
On this deal.
we're down here, Gene. Oh, I'm laughing so hard, man. You suck. wait. We already
You're
determined.
a shitty cameraman, man.
You don't suck. Okay, so see what my socket is there? I just got her tight, so. Can you make sure it's recording? Okay. No. No, it's.
Doing a shitty job.
It's. Hey, blow me, Matt. Come on now. Okay.
CM, did the extensions not work? Ooh, fuck, right?
It wasn't the extension. Okay?
Whatever, that you're like, oh,
No.
yeah, get me a longer one.
It wasn't the extension. It was the fire engine red. Hey, long arms. Get down there with your long arms and pick that out of there. Yeah, okay. Yeah, no, dude, come on now. You're not.
I almost.
You're not gonna reach that. Get out of here with that shit.
Yeah, I almost
Okay, well,
did.
anyway, that sensor's back down in there. I'd love to show you guys. Well, hang on, hold that, Matt. Make sure it's recording. Okay.
Gotta teach this guy how to make movies.
What you should do. Holy fuck! I cannot reach. Is grab me my my magnetic wrench. Go in there and get my my magnets hanging up by my shop.
Okay.
Hanging up by my shop. Yeah, hanging up by my shop. Cameraman Matt, you ready? Okay. Wouldn't this not be
For
funny?
guys for short arms. See that light down there?
Would this not be funny if this was aluminum and it would like not pick it up at all? Oh, are you serious? It is aluminum. Okay, wait, hang on. And then like, okay, cameraman Matt, get that out of there. Grab that.
Anywhere, shove it in a hole. Oh. There we go.
Okay, now what I was gonna show before. Awesome, man. Good camera skills, brother. Good camera skills. Okay, what I was gonna show before. All seriousness. Okay. All joking aside. All seriousness. Okay. If you look down here, you can see the top of that sensor right there. Oil pressure sensor. So that's what we changed. We should have done it before and after. It showed no oil pressure. And Matt looked at me and he said, "Hey man, if I would drive my truck around with no oil pressure, am I okay?" Yeah, buddy. You drive around with no oil pressure, it'd be fantastic. Okay, so anyway, that's what we did. Now, all back together. We're gonna put it back together. I'm not gonna show you that, like stupid shit. Bye. Okay, is it going?
Photo shy, man. I don't like
okay, wait.
You should see my
That's
Instagram.
okay.
I have no pictures of myself.
Idiot. It's filming. Okay, it's going. It's going. All right. Cameraman Matt. All right, buddy. Okay, new sensors in. Let's see if we can plug this back in without breaking wires. Okay, boys and girls. Which fucking way does this go? Like this. Or not. Uh-oh.
That's what you want to hear from when a guy is working on your engine.
Oh, fuck. I'm a professional, I swear. Professional truck driver. I should have looked at the new one versus the old one. What the hell does that even go on there? Oh, wait. I got it. Okay, click. Hear the click?
Yeah.
Okay, we're in. This plastic fucking thing. I'm gonna smash this with my fucking hammer. And if we can get this out, I'm gonna fucking light it on fire. Sorry.
That's just. Okay. PG-13 channel, eh?
Oh no.
Panic, right? There's usually a little bit of cursing going on.
Fuck. No, Eric the car guy and fucking Jesus Christ. Eric the car guy and Self-Made Auto. No, you never swear, right? Right, boys? You never swear. Or scanner danner. No.
Scanner danner. Fudgicles.
Oh, hey man. You know my best channel now? Like, go to my face, man. My favorite channel right now, gotta be Scotty Kilmer. Love you, brother. Fucking funniest shit I've ever seen. Hey, Matt. You know what car you don't buy? A Jaguar.
He's a comedian and a mechanic.
Okay, wait, hang on. I don't know if I can get this back on here, dude.
The plastic piece or the sensor thing again?
Oh, the plastic piece.
Oh.
Sensor's on. Sensor's done. Actually, you know what?
I don't even care about that plastic piece.
I want you to fire it up. I'm gonna stand right in here. I want you to fire it up, and I'm gonna look for leaks. Okay, we're looking for leaks, boys and girls. Yeah, I'm gonna put my legs up top here where there's nothing happening. Okay, go, brother. Yeah. Dude.
That's never happened.
Oh yeah, because we got your thing unplugged here. Yeah, we're good. That's your map sensor. Yeah, okay, see, I'm an idiot. Your manifold air pressure sensor, right here. Okay, wait, hang on, dude. Okay, give her.
Hit record when you hand me. I'm like looking at it like it's not even moving.
So for the
we'll get this filming thing down eventually.
The phone to Matt, and he said, "Oh yeah, it's recording. It's good."
It's
Oh,
not.
wait a second. It's not. Okay, so, yeah, this is kind of important. A little bit of a big vacuum leak. Yeah. Okay. Brake booster for anybody that is curious. Maybe you're sleeping here tonight, man. I don't know. Maybe you're not leaving until like Tuesday or Wednesday.
That'll go over well. Probably gonna get in trouble from the boss and be like, "Oh, sorry, man. Brett screwed up my truck, so I can't come in and get in trouble from you guys."
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. You know what?
We'll wait till Friday till I
That's
work.
going bye-bye. I'm not putting that back on. Yes, I am.
Kind of helped to keep it there. Eh?
Fuck. Okay, we're good.
That's the old sensor right here.
Anybody that's curious, yes. Yeah, they're pretty prone. It's either the sensor or you overheated the LS engine. LS engine being all aluminum, they kind of disintegrate pretty dang quick. Ouch. Ouchie. Okay. Let's put this this vacuum leak back in place. Okay, I need that light there. Got it. Got it now. You know what? Fucking piece of plastic. What would you like to do with this piece of plastic? What, like, should we put it back in place? Okay, cut. Cut. Turn it off.
Yeah, that one you gotta get.
Ah, that hurts my nuts. Ah.
When you fall in the engine bay.
Now I gotta fix that too. Fuck. I mean, fire engine stuff. Oh, I hate this engine already, man. I'm never gonna buy one of these fucking things. Oh, hey. Shit. Okay, what the fuck? Hey, turn it off.
This is part of the process. People need to see how hard it is.
Dude.
And he's stuck.
Like, help me. I'm stuck. Fuck. Can you help me, please?
Oh, you're actually stuck. There.
Oh, shit. Okay. Cut. Hey, brother.
He fixed it.
An after video.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're looking at oil pressure. That little prick right there. Okay.
Well, she goes, man.
Oh, look at
that, eh?
Like it's supposed to be. Although it'd be nice if it was PSI, not KPA. Okay, shut it down. Shut it down. Shut it down. Good, buddy.
Good job.
Okay, it's going. I think it's going.
Yeah.
Okay, so cameraman Matt wanted to see my sled. My sled. That's what she looks like. A little bit insane. So, yeah. We see if we can run. Get to run. Okay. Get out of the way. Get out of the... What do you think of that there, cameraman, Matt?
Pretty good.
That
sounds pretty good, though. Yeah, hell yeah. Right?
Come on in the winter. Fucking let this thing bleed your ears out a little bit. Okay, one more. Okay, one more.
This was on the first pole. Oh, wow.
So there he goes. I dropped my phone and the battery bounced out. Bye, Matt. Bye, cameraman Matt. And there he goes. All right. All back together. Really fun. I'm not gonna do a riding video until like tomorrow or something like that. So, bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Awesomeness. Bye bye.